I thought Merlin AI was going to be another Chrome extension I'd install, use for 10 minutes, and forget about. I was wrong, but it also didn't replace ChatGPT the way some people claim. The first thing I liked was how little setup there was. Install the extension, sign in, and you're basically done. A few minutes later, I was using it inside Google Search, Gmail, and YouTube without opening another tab every 30 seconds. That sounds small, but after a couple of hours, you notice it. Instead of asking random questions, I treated Merlin like an assistant during a normal work day. I had it summarize articles, rewrite emails, explain a few complicated topics, and even pull key points from long web pages. Most of the time, it was fast. Faster than copying everything into ChatGPT, but then something happened that I wasn't expecting. Whenever I asked more complicated questions or needed detailed answers, the quality became a little inconsistent. Some responses were excellent, others needed another prompt or two before they were actually useful. That's where I think a lot of reviews miss the point. Merlin isn't trying to be another ChatGPT, it's trying to save you clicks. And honestly, it does that really well. One feature I kept coming back to was the web page summary tool. Instead of reading an entire article, I could get the important parts in seconds. If you spend hours researching every week, that alone can save a surprising amount of time. Now, is it perfect? Not really. If I'm writing something important, solving a difficult problem, or having a long conversation with AI, I still end up opening ChatGPT. It simply feels more reliable for those bigger tasks. The pricing also makes sense only if you're actually using AI every day. If you only need AI once in a while, the free version is probably enough. So, can Merlin AI replace ChatGPT for daily work? For quick tasks, browsing, emails, and research, it honestly gets closer than I expected. For deeper thinking, I'd still keep ChatGPT around. If you're choosing between the two, don't just compare features. Think about where you spend most of your day online, because that's where Merlin AI makes the biggest difference. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.